Everyone is talking about the nation's newest fad, geocaching. Groups of strong men and women are taking to the sky, sea, and even caves in search of geocaches. Using the latest in modern navigation, people try to find these caches in remote locations scattered all over the world. The key piece of equipment when geocaching is a GPS. This stands for General Placing Stick. The user closes their eyes and waves the GPS around their head. Someone then tickles the thrower and the GPS is released. The direction the stick flies indicates the path of travel. This is why you need at least 2 people to geocache. You can spot a geocacher by their outrageous attire. By robing themselves in eccentric costume, the geocacher does their best to frighten predators, blend into the wilderness, and disguise themselves from the authorities while retaining their style and respectability. Treks can take many years to complete. This little one was born en route. Way to go, lad! The greatest geocache is the first to find. These caches contain treasure moderately better than the regular caches. Unfortunately, these caches are scarce and are generally only found by the obsessed and the deranged. Travel is tough, but no one complains, or they're shot and eaten. Nothing is wasted. Travel bugs are dangerous creatures which hide in geocaches, waiting to prey upon weary travelers. They move from geocache to geocache, devouring all in their path in search of some unknown destination. Children and pets are always welcome when geocaching. Labor and cheap meat are sometimes scarce on the longer journeys. Non-cachers, or muggles, are the bane of the geocaching community. These foolish nitwicks spoil the fun for everyone and don't even know it. If you find something suspicious in a secure space, leave it alone. Tell no one and walk away. Some suggest that geocaching is too dangerous for the rewards that are offered, but those people are just party poopers. Get on board, you cads! So why not give geocaching a try and join in on all the fun?